A single creator with just a laptop can just do the whole work of a dozen of team. It's going to take plenty people to create. Somebody is doing it just with their laptop. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and on this channel, I do anything that comes to my head. Well, on this video, we're going to be looking about AI movie production. You've been seeing all these AI videos and the rest flying everywhere, and you are still confused. I'm going to hold your hand, or I should not hold your hand. Come, I'm going to hold your hand. I'm not leaving you behind. I'm going to hold your hand and guide you step by step on how all these movies are being produced. So you want to sit back because it's about to be a long ride. First of all, back then we used to have, let's say you have an idea and you want to create it. You must have money. If you come on, you gotta be a millionaire to be able to produce a movie. But right now, it is very, very easy for you to create your movie from beginning to the end at the comfort of your home. You choose your actors, choose everything, and the next thing, your story is already online at a very low cost. If you must pay for anything, it's very little, and sometimes even free. But now, image to video to is, because you're going to go into movie production, you're going to need to pay for it too, because you're going to be generating lots and lots of scenes. When we get to the practical aspect, I guess you will understand. I pray I have the grace to be able to reach that, because doing something and YouTube is not pushing it. it's it's somehow, but all the same, we are not looking at that. I just want to create something on my page that I can always refer people that, oh, go to my page, you're going to see, and then when they come, they'll see everything. So irrespective of what the views look like now, we don't really mind. So as I was saying, now you can create movies at the comfort of your home at little cost, because now AI is like, how will I put it? Is it revolutionizing filmmaking? Like, you can see like a 10 years old or 13 years old is already telling you I'm a movie producer. And when you come to the person's channel, you're seeing mind blowing creations from this person. So that is what AI is doing. And to me, it's like actually very, very cool, because it's kind of breaking like barriers that once limited all this storytelling to all these people with big budget, expensive equipment, with crew members and the rest. So now anybody can just develop idea, design your character, and generate your movie, even produce your sound. Small money, shikini money, almost free self. So to me it's cool. My system don't hook. Okay, do not hook, sorry. So the next thing is traditional versus AI filmmaking. What is the difference between traditional filmmaking and AI filmmaking? Like I said earlier, for decades now, making film means that you have to like hire specialists like writers, cinematographers, editors, sound engineer, actor, producer, you know, even rent big cameras. And sometimes you have to. There was one time that all these movie producers, they came to my area where we used to stay, and they begged all of us to come into Falcon. If you understand about it, Falcon Club. That was where they used. That time Mr. Abel was still alive. They did this wrestling stuff there, and they gathered all of us. And at the end of the day, they paid us. I think what they paid us that day was about 1,000 naira or so back then. And with a beg, oh, they begged all of us because they needed crowd. to cheer them up and the rest. And they also did something like pageantry too. So they needed the crowds. So this is what traditional filmmaking was all about. You have to pay people, and sometimes to take months and months of planning. You see how tedious it is. So if you see all these movie producers, give them hug, because not be small thing they go through. Eh? But now AI has flipped the whole script entirely. Now it's a single creator with just a laptop can just do the whole work of a dozen of team. It's going to take plenty people to create. Somebody is doing it just with their laptop. So traditional filmmaking used to require like a long crews of specialists, expensive cameras and equipment, long production timeline, high budget requirements, and limited experimentation. Because sometimes you might even pay an actor sef. The actor will come and start acting what you don't know for you. That's why you see some actors will be like, ah, this person no act well, oh. You know sabi act. You know sabi act. Eh? After all the money that they've collected. Eh? But with AI filmmaking, you need just a small team, or even a solo creator. The reason why I say sporting is that you know some of all these people now that are creating it like to be like an agency whereby everybody can just create their own movie and they upload it on on a single YouTube channel, and they all pay, share the whole profit and the rest. So or you can be a solo creator. With AI filmmaking, you require minimal equipment, faster streamlined workflow. There is no need paying for one actor and the actor will disappoint you. Is you are the actor, you are the producer, you are the everything. So it's faster. You know how to do these things. Pa, pa, pa. There's this saga that happened. I don't want to call anybody's name, but they paid one actor like that to come and shoot movie. When the actor shoot, somebody said was tired. Yeah, I know they tire. If you want AI to shoot 2 hours movie in one day, AI will shoot it. The character will shoot it. Not come and tell you at some point that, oh, I'm tired, oh, blah blah blah. Eh? There's nothing like that with AI. So to me, I feel it's very cool. So this is your complete AI film making scope. We're going to get to the practical aspect, but I'm just setting this base. I'm going to put you through. I said I was going to hold your hand, right? Don't worry, I'm holding your hand. So you have to develop your idea. If you don't know how to develop your idea, don't worry, we're going to come to that. Have in mind what you want to do. Do you want to go into action? Do you want to go into kanayo kind of movie? Do you want to go into, emotional romance? Just have an idea of what you want to create. If you don't even have an idea, AI can still help you to come up with an idea, but you should have something that interests you, like the kind of movie that you like to watch. That because some people they'll tell you, "Oh, I don't like to watch zombie movie." While some people they'll tell you they like action movies. Some people they tell you they like romance movies. So you should just have an idea of something that interests you, so that when you're doing this thing, it doesn't look very very taxful. It becomes very easy. Then after your idea development, the next thing is your scripting. You write your full screenplay, dialogue, the scene description using AI. You script everything. All this movie has a particular pattern that you have to script. You cannot just write and brum your producer. You have to know how to script so that you can come up with a good result. Thirdly, your character design. You will know how to develop your character using AI. You create consistent character, not in this particular scene your character is looking like a young man, the next scene is looking like a young guy, or the next one is looking old, or this time around is having beards, the other one is not having beards, or is carrying skondo, the other scene is not carrying skondo. You will know how to create your character, consistent character development. Your scene storyboard, how to develop your scene. So you should know how to plan your shots, to know how every scene is going to look like. Each framing, you should know that. Fifthly, animation and video generation. That's where your prompting comes in. How to prompt correctly. If you want them to hug, you will know how to prompt. If you want the person to be angry, you will know how to prompt it. Number 6, your music and sound, because you don't want copyright palava. So you know how to develop your music, your sound, everything. Then you'll now go to the video editing proper. So let me run you through again. I said your complete AI filmmaking scope go through this 7 process. Number 1, idea development, scripting, character design, scene storyboard, animation and video generation, music and sound design. Then the last one, video editing. Let's talk about the tools that you use for each of these. For your idea development and scripting, you will need ChatGPT. You either need ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Either of these tools, that is what you use for your idea development. Then, next, your character design. For character design, you're going to need Google Flow. So you use these particular tools for your character design, consistent character design. Then the next is your animation and AI video generation. That is converting your images now and the scenes that you've created, all those things, you animate them. So the tools that I use here is one, that is this last one here. I use one AI. But people use Grok. There's Grok, there's Kling AI, there's Hello AI, there's Runway, Google VO, a whole lot of tools out there. A whole lot of tools. So these are the tools that you need for your AI animation and video generation. Then for your voice generation, sometimes you can skip this part, right? But some people use it. For me, I don't, because I'll show you how you can prompt your voicing. That's when you're generating your animation or converting your image to video, you just put your voice in the way the voice is supposed to sound like, and it maintains it consistently. So you can skip this part. But in case you want to know about it, for AI voice generation, you can use 11 Labs. Then for your music generation, AI music sound design, Sono AI, there are other one, there's Udio, there's Epidemic Sound, there are a whole lot of them out there, but we use Sono AI because Sono AI has the pro version, has option for commercial. If you create your visual, your sound with the pro version of Sono, you can monetize it because it's going to be your original sound. But if you use the free version of Sono, Sono is going to collect the money, not you. Yeah. So it's better you use the pro version and have control over your sound. Then the video editing, we use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, InShot, DaVinci Resolve, Runway, any of all those tools. If you have all these things in mind, congratulations, you are about to make your first mind-blowing movie ever. So in my next tutorial, we're going to talk about idea development and scripting. We'll take those two together. But before then, like I always end my video, I'll always say, pick the sense from the nonsense, and I'll see you on my next tutorial video. If you like this video and you find it very helpful, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and do all those stuff. Then I'll see you on my next video. Ciao, ciao.